According to the article, the cause of the train crash in India has been identified as a failure in signaling, which could have resulted from either a technical malfunction or human error. The crash involved 2 passenger trains and a stationary freight train. The Coromandel Express, a high-speed train, was diverted onto a loop line and collided with a heavy goods train. The impact of the collision was intensified by the high speed of the trains involved. The article mentions that the people responsible for the accident have been identified, but further details were not provided. The Rail Minister, Ashwini Vaishnaw, stated that an investigation is underway to determine who was responsible for the mistake. The government report is expected to provide more information on the individuals or entities accountable for the crash. It is worth noting that this information is based on the details provided in the article, and it is always recommended to refer to official sources or news updates for the latest and most accurate information on such incidents.